You are going to love the 2021 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.